Hey guys, so I've got something really awesome to show you. I'm really excited about this. So today I've actually found some Longan fruits. I've never seen these at all before in New Zealand. Finally I've come across them. So I bought them and I'm really keen to give them a try, see what they taste like. And I'm also really keen to see if I can grow them as well. So these are a tropical type of fruit, so I really like growing the tropical fruits, or anything really, but something that's a bit unique is always fun and a bit different. So I'm going to have a go at that as well and try and grow me a longan tree. Okay, so here it is close up, and you can see it's got a skin on it, and I think you can kind of just squeeze it to get it to open. Yep, and there you go. So it's got that sort of light coloured flesh. The name of this translates to dragon eye, and you can sort of see why it looks like a big eyeball. You can even see like the black seed shining through, like the pupil. Oh, I think I got some juice on my camera. Oh, and a bit more. So that's what the seed looks like. So I'm going to give this a try. That's really interesting. It kind of tastes a bit like a grape, but it's really sweet and it's quite crunchy as well, so it doesn't have the same texture as a grape. But it's almost like eating a lolly. It's just really sweet. It's quite nice. Yeah, it's just really different. It's kind of hard to compare to anything else I've tasted before. But yeah, it's not bad. It's not amazing either. It's kind of just a nice sweet fruit. So I've had a couple of goes at growing these longan seeds, and I've tried two different methods. This one is just obviously I've planted the longan seeds down into the soil. There's no movement just yet. And then the other one, you can actually see it growing inside, and I'll open it up to have a look. But this as well has been in here for 6 weeks, and I've left it far too long, but we'll open it up anyway and see what we can do with this awesome little seedling. Check this out. So I put 3 seeds in this paper towel, as you can see, and 2 of them have sprouted really well. This third one has actually got a root growing out of it, but no stem yet, and quite weirdly the seed actually has a bit of looks like white mold or something growing on it, whereas these ones don't. So these look like the healthier ones of the 3, obviously. So what I probably will do is grab these 2 seeds and plant them in a pot, and I'm just going to have to kind of mimic a similar environment that they've been in while they've been growing in the bag. So I need to keep them in just a humid environment and make sure they don't get direct sunlight right away either, just to help them slowly adapt, and hopefully they'll transplant alright. As for this third one, I'll probably put them in a separate pot just to make sure that the mold doesn't spread to the other plants. So I did try and have a go at growing these longan seeds just in a pot of soil as well, and I haven't really done too well for them in terms of giving them enough water, I think. I have let this dry out a bit too much and forgot about it, and we've had some really hot weather recently, which means that it has been drying out a lot more than I would have liked it to. But I'm going to open it up anyway, or dig it up, and just see if anything's happened with those seeds that are in there. Alright, so I found the 3 seeds that I put in this pot, and strangely enough they have actually, they have been growing, but very, very slowly. See, there is a root there that's coming out, and same with this one here as well, and this one doesn't look like it's really done much at all. Quite interesting, the different results that I gained from trying to grow these in different methods, because I did start them all on the same day about 6 weeks ago. So there we go, the ones in the Ziploc bag did a lot better than the ones in the pot of soil, but it may just be because these ones didn't have enough regular water. But you guys might have completely different results, so feel free to try either way. As you can see, you can sprout them through both of these methods. Just in my experience, these ones didn't sprout nowhere near as fast as the ones in the Ziploc bag. Anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed. If you have any questions, feel free to just chuck them in the comment section. Otherwise, I'd love to see you guys over at my Facebook page, and I'll do updates there as well for you guys to see. Anyway, hope you guys have a good rest of your day. See you later.